Favicons. So favicons are the little icons that appear in the tabs of your web browser like this. So let me just preview this page and we'll have a little look at this wonderful page. And up here, where I'm showing you now on the screen, that's the fav icon, the favorite icon. So people can quickly see which tab in the browser is your page. So you know, the red one there is obviously T4S. You want to use your own, so this is how you do it. Okay, so the way you do it is by uploading an image of for the icon, but you've got to do something first because browsers expect these icons to be of a particular format called a .ico format. Fortunately, it's very easy to do it. So I'll pick this random one here as an icon. Best if they're same width and same height because that's how they're shown in the browser. And I'm just going to save this icon or this image as on my desktop, my image, which is a PNG image. Okay, so you'll have a JPEG or PNG or something like that. Now, if you Google for favicon generator, you'll get loads and loads of options. They all do similar sorts of things, but let's pick one that we can use. Oh, doesn't matter. Let's pick this purely random one. So generate from image. This is what I'm going to do. I'm going to generate from an image. This is at favicon.io. I'm going to generate from an image, and I'm going to drag my image and click here to upload. So I'm going to go to my desktop and choose my image, and it's going to upload it. And then I want to click on download. Now that's going to download, in this case, let me show that in the folder, what we've got here, a zip file, which I'll have a look inside, and there's a whole bunch of stuff in there. The only one we're interested in is the favicon.ico, which is that one there. On Windows here, the extension's hidden, but it's a .ico file type .icon, okay? And that's the one I want. So I'll take a copy of that and stick that somewhere. Let's stick it on my desktop. Boom. Paste. Okay, favicon.ico. Look at the properties. Icon.ico. Alright, so that's the one I want. Now what we do is on T4S, let's go back and close that and go back to here. We go into our media manager, images and media, and we upload that file. So it's got to be called favicon.ico, and in that format of an icon, a .ico file. So we'll just go ahead and pick that. Boom. Open. It uploads it, finish uploading, and there it's sitting under my images. So it's not the sort of thing you'd put on your web page. You'd use PNG files, JPEG files, whatever for that. This is purely for your little fav icon in your browser. But that's all you need to do. Close that. Let's go back and preview. Opens up the browser. And there. You can now see that's that. So it switched over the first time, and now it's there. Refresh, and off you go. So I've replaced my favicon, and that works on custom domain names or funnels that you're using the T4S.site domain name of. Simple as that.